What's up, YouTube? So in this video I actually want to show you how to start trading from beginning to end. This video is actually for beginners or people who are struggling to make money. So I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about trading, and for you to keep making money consistently, you also need to follow this channel. So I want you to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that whenever I drop tips that can help you grow as a trader, you are going to see the video immediately. So like, subscribe, and let's move to my computer screen now so that I can show you those things that you need to do, that you need to start doing right now to become a successful trader as a beginner. So now we are on my computer screen. So the thing is that this particular topic is going to be, I'm going to do part 2 and part 3 of it, because there are 3 key things that you need to understand: the technical aspect of trading, the fundamental aspect of trading, and the psychological aspect of it. So in this very video, I will be talking about technical aspect of it. In my next video, I will be on this very topic, okay, for beginners. And in the next video, I'll be talking about fundamental. In the last one, which is part 3, I'll be talking about the psychological part of it. Okay. So first of all, before you say you are trading, you need to have certain application, okay, that on your phone that will allow you to take trade. Okay, so the one I use Bybit. Okay, Bybit. And I know a lot of people will be wondering, I know you may be wondering, is Bybit allowing Forex? Yes, Bybit now allow Forex. Okay, it allows Forex now. And what happened is, the reason I'm using Bybit is because it allows me to take a trade on Forex, stocks, and crypto in one platform. So I don't have to be using, before I use Xnet for my Forex and stock trading, and I use Bybit for my crypto trading. But now I use Bybit for everything. So I use that platform for everything. So it's easy for me to trade any meme coins or any tokens or any whatever on that same app or crypto. And it also allows me to trade gold, crude oil, and stocks, and every other things, and even currency pairs. So it allows you to do everything. So I use that. So if you want to register on Bybit, use the link in my bio. Okay, I have dropped a link on for Bybit in my bio. So use the link to register. Okay, and then when you register, in my next video, don't worry, when you register, just send me a message that you've registered, either on YouTube, or okay, do it this way. Let's do it this way. When you register with the link, go check my bio. You will see my Telegram link there. Follow the Telegram link. So when you follow the Telegram link, send me a DM on that Telegram link. There is a group. You can drop the message there and tell me, and just ask me, just let me know that you want to connect your MetaTrader 5 to your Bybit and how to use it to trade Forex and everything. I will guide you through. Okay, so that is about that. So for you to get access, for me to direct you, check my bio to do that. All right, so that being said, so talking about technical analysis, okay, every asset that you see here, all of them have their direction. Like every asset has a normal direction where they are going. Okay, take for example S&P 500. Okay, first of all, for you to know the general direction, and I'm not talking about trend on a lower time frame, I'm talking about their general trend now. General trend. Okay, so how do you get the general trend? This is what you need to do. To get the general trend, you have to go to the higher time frame, monthly. That is the first thing. Let's say, for example, you want to trade S&P 500, you have to come to monthly time frame. Okay, so when you come to monthly time frame, okay, you want to look at what the price is doing at that particular time. Okay, you want to look at what the price is doing, where the price is going. As you can see, where do you think the price is going? It's going to the upside down. It's going to the upside. Okay, it's going to the upside, and it's making what we refer to as higher highs, higher lows, which is pattern for uptrend. Okay, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, another higher highs now going on. Okay, another higher high is going on. So this is what we call uptrend, because the price is moving up. So first of all, this is what you want to know. You want to see where the price is moving up. As soon as you identify, now in this case, now price is moving up. So now when you know that the price of that asset, that asset is moving up, what you want to do is you want to come to lower time frame and look for buy opportunity, not sell opportunity, buy opportunity. So from here, you come to daily. You don't need to check anything on weekly. Just come to daily and look at what the price is doing so that you can take advantage of that. Okay. So now, if you look at all my trade here, you see buy, buy, buy. Everything is all about buying. Okay, is buy, because I would say maybe this is the only time I sold here too, but I usually buy because the market is in a buy trade. Okay, this is good. It's a bullish market. Okay, so you want to be looking for buy opportunity. Okay, so if you come to daily here, there's nothing too obvious for you to do. But if you come to 4-hour, okay, you will see a lot of things. Okay, for example, now you can see market retrace here. Whenever you see market retrace, you want to take a buy position. Take, for example, you can take a buy position here, okay, and then you can see the price going up. Okay, this is another retracement here. You can take a buy position here and you can see the price go up. Okay, so you want to look for buy opportunity. I didn't take this trade, so let me remove it. I didn't take this trade. I usually don't sell, I buy. Okay, so look at this one. You can take a buy position. Okay, so what you will just want to do is whenever you come to your lower time frame where you want to take, you wait for retracement. When you wait for, what I mean by retracement is, now look at this market has gone up, then consolidate, then retrace, then that is when I take a buy position. Okay, so if you look at this one now, price moved up, so consolidate here. Now after this consolidation, you can take a buy position either through the breakout or from the bottom here. Okay, you can take a buy position from here. Okay, the same thing applicable here. You can see price drop. Okay, if you look at it, it's actually move and then drop, then you take a buy position here. So everything is all about taking buy position. Okay, so I encourage you to buy whenever the market is in a bullish market. When you check on higher time frame, I encourage you to buy instead of selling. Okay, that is what I do. I buy like good. Now it's always a buy. I'm always buying. Okay, so that is the first thing that you need to do. Okay, if you look at, let me show you another asset as an example. Okay, this is S&P 500. Okay, so if you look at the S&P 500 on 4-hour, you will see that I've always been buying. Okay, whenever I see a retracement, I bought. Whenever I see a retracement, I bought. Whenever I see a retracement, I bought. As you can see here, retracement, I bought. Okay, you will see I keep buying. But what did I see? I first come to monthly time frame here to check what is actually going on the higher time frame. Is this market a bullish market or a what's it called, or a bearish market? As you can see, it is a bullish market. The market has been going up. So in that case, I want to be looking for buy opportunity in this market. So I therefore come to daily time frame. When you come to daily time frame, what do you see? Okay, this is what you see on daily time frame. Okay, so when you see this on daily time frame, what you just want to be looking for is retracement. Okay, like here now, you see, let's even start from here. Let's start from here. Okay, let's start from here. Market go up, retrace, then you can take a buy. Market go up, retrace, then you can take a buy. Market go up, retrace, you can take a buy. Market go up, retrace, you can take a buy. Market go up, retrace, you can take a buy. Market go up, retrace, you can take a buy. Okay, so if you look at these things now, because you have to do all this on 4-hour. I use 4-hour as my entry time frame, and I encourage you to also use that too. Okay, if you look at it on 4-hour, you will see what I'm showing you very well. You can see the retracement I bought here, retracement I bought here, retracement I bought here, retracement I bought here, retracement I bought here. Okay, that is because S&P 500 is a bullish market, and I always want to see bullish take advantage of that. I want to buy, I want to trade in the direction of the market. So that's the first thing you need to understand. So the second thing that you need to do is that when the market retreats, you do not just want to buy, you want to wait for price action pattern. So there are two major price action patterns that I will allow you that will ask you to look out for. The first one is double bottom like this. Okay, the second one is double top. Okay, so now this one you use it when you want to buy, this one you look for it when you want to sell. Okay, then you can also use what we refer to as triple bottom. Nice, triple bottom, or triple bottom, or triple top. Okay, triple bottom, triple tops when they have same high, and triple bottom when they have same low, in three places. Take for example, this is an example of three bottom. Forget about this particular point here. All this one is fake out. So it touched the first time, second time, third time. This is a fake out. Okay, and you discover that after the price closed back inside, that was when I took my buy trade here. Okay, so that is what you want to look out for. Okay, you want to look out for that. You can also see it as consolidation. Okay, after the consolidation, you can take a buy position. So this is your double bottom. You discover that after this retracement, I didn't just buy. I wait for second pullback, and then after that hammer, okay, that candlestick that look like hammer, this red one, that was when I take a buy position. The same thing applicable here. You can see, okay, same thing applicable here. Okay, so that is when I took my buy position. So you want to make sure that after that pullback, take for example here is another one, after here is another one, after that pullback, you want to wait for price action pattern before you take. That is another one, double bottom here. So you want to wait for price action pattern before you take your position. Okay, after that pullback. Okay, so that is another thing I want you to understand. Okay, and now another third thing that I want you to include here is whenever you see, when you see this price action pattern, okay, for example here, you do not just buy. Okay, after you see that price action pattern, there's another thing you need to also check. You need to check your RSI indicator. Okay, let me show you that RSI indicator and how you use it. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so this is your RSI indicator. This is RSI indicator. So if you look at the price that has been bouncing, testing this particular area 3 times, what you want to check is you want to see if the momentum is to the upside or to the downside, because RSI is a momentum indicator. It measures the strength of buyers and sellers in the market. So the fact that the price is coming to this place, the question you need to ask yourself is that, do we still have selling momentum to the downside? Okay, how do you know that? If as the way the market is doing, if the market is doing like this and your RSI is doing something like this, okay, let's say this thing now, your RSI is doing like this. Hold on. Okay, the first one, second, first bottom, second bottom, third bottom. Okay, this is the first bottom, this is it here. Second bottom, this is it here. Third bottom, this is here. So this one, let's say your RSI is doing like this. Okay, you will see that each of this low, there is still power of sellers pushing it below the last low. Okay, this low is lower to this last low. This one is lower to this last low, which means that there are strength. There is still selling pressure. There is still selling power to the downside. That is why you see this happening. Okay, but if when the market is doing all this consolidation, what you see is that the first bottom, let me say, hold on. The first bottom is like this. The second one fails. The third one maybe is like this. And then you see that the first bottom is here. The second bottom, it did not get to where the last bottom is. Okay, it did not go over it. It did not get to itself. Even if it get to it, it's okay. But it did not go below it. And this one did not even get to the last bottom. It means that there is no pressure. That pressure is not there to push this thing down. That is why the momentum indicator is failing to get to where the last low is or get below it, like this one. So in this case, you get something like this. Okay, you will see something like this. Okay, so you will see that the momentum indicator is pointing to the upside, like points to the upside. That shows that buyers momentums are pushing that. Okay, unlike this one is to the downside. So which means that this selling pressure might still push to the downside if something like this is happening. But if something like this is happening and the momentum indicator is moving to the upside, it means that there is no selling pressure. So example, if you look at this now and you check your momentum indicator here, this is the first bottom, this is the second bottom, this is the third bottom. You can see the second bottom did not get to where it's this last bottom is, and you can see this one too did not get there. So what you get is something like this. You can see. Okay, so that's to tell you that the selling pressure is not really there. Okay, all this, that is why you see the candle shop. You can see it's not clean. It's made up of green, red, green, red. It's not clean. That is to tell you that the selling pressure is not there. So as you can see, afterwards, you can see the market go to the upside. So the same thing applicable here. After you see your double bottom, you want to check your RSI. You can see this is the first bottom. You can see it here. Okay, let me mark it. First bottom here. This is it here. Second bottom here. This is it here. Okay, you can see the second bottom did not get lower to this. So because of that, you want to be you want to consider buying. That is to tell you. So 3 factors now that you need to point that I've given you, that you need to check before you take any buy position. So these are the few things I want to show you related to the technical analysis. So in my next video, I will point you out to other things in the fundamental aspect. So stick around. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to take my mentorship class, don't forget, check the link in the bio. You will and send me notification. With my mentorship class, you will become a pro in these things and become consistently profitable. So see you in my next video.